Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks Online with Wix. This integration is incredibly useful if you're running an online business and need to sync your financial data seamlessly between your Wix store and QuickBooks accounting software. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your website. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From here, you'll want to choose App Market. This is where Wix houses all the third-party applications that you can integrate with your site. Once you're in the App Market, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the third-party applications that are readily available for integration with your Wix site. To find QuickBooks quickly, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in QuickBooks into this search bar. From the results that are listed, you'll need to select QuickBooks Connector. This is the official integration tool that will bridge your Wix site with your QuickBooks Online account. After selecting QuickBooks Connector, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks Integration Overview page. This page provides valuable information about what the integration offers. Take a moment to read through the features and reviews of this app to understand how it can benefit your business workflow. You'll want to scroll down to see the pricing options as well so you know what to expect in terms of costs. This step is important because it helps you make an informed decision about whether this integration fits your budget and business needs. Once you're ready to proceed, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Add to Site. At this point, you'll be presented with a review of all the terms of use and agreement. It's crucial to read through these carefully. You'll also see a detailed list of all the information that the QuickBooks integration would access from your Wix site. This might include customer data, transaction details, and product information. Once you've reviewed everything and you're comfortable with the permissions being requested, click on Agree and Add. Now all you need to do is log in with your QuickBooks account. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks where you'll enter your login credentials. After you've logged in, the integration and authorization process will start automatically. This process syncs your Wix data with QuickBooks, allowing you to manage your finances more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully integrated QuickBooks Online with your Wix site, making it much easier to track sales, manage invoices, and keep your accounting organized all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.